Alright, so right here we do have the cooling gel memory foam mattress, and from this brand right here, Sleep Innovations. So when you guys first get the product, you can see it's all nicely compressed and all nicely packed into this little box right here. And for the one that we got right here is a queen size. They do have this available in many other sizes as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which you prefer. But let's open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like when you guys fully expand it. So first thing inside, they provide you guys a little envelope. Let's see what's inside. So inside they just provide you guys a bunch of these thank you cards and also a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. But I think it should be pretty simple. Once you guys do open it up, then you should be fine. Alright, so once you guys open it, here is basically what the inside looks like. So you basically want to take it out and unravel it and then put it on top. So let's do that first. So once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So let's take off the wrapper and expand it and put it on top to show you guys what the actual mattress looks like when you guys fully expand it. Alright, so once you guys open it, here is basically what the product looks like. So basically want to cut open this bag as well, and that way we can expand it. So the way how you guys know which side is the top and the bottom is by looking at the word on the bottom. So right here it does have the brand logo, so we're going to turn it back this way. But before we do that, let's cut open the bag first. So if you can see when we took it out, it's starting to expand a lot already. But let's turn it back the other way like I mentioned. Alright, so once you guys do that, then it's all set. And basically just want to let it kind of expand by itself. And for the one that we got right here is a 10-inch. I believe they do have this available in a bigger or smaller size as well. So if there's one taller or shorter, you definitely want to do your own research and measurement to see which one you prefer. But if you see when you guys do fully set it up, it definitely looks pretty nice. And it didn't take me that long to actually set it up. But when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it actually feels super nice and really comfortable, especially because the memory foam material that's on here. Like I mentioned, the product is not fully expanded yet, so once it fully expands, it will definitely feel a lot better. But I do like the way how to design it because the top part is white and the side is blue, which is my favorite color. And also when you guys do feel the side, it actually feels pretty nice. You can definitely feel like the cooling gel memory foam that's inside, which is pretty nice. But let's hop on here and see how it feels. Alright, so once you guys hop on, if you see how the memory foam material that's on the actual bed actually submerged in, but when you guys do put your whole body on here, it actually feels really nice. I love the fact how you balance your body on here when you guys actually hop on, so that way your whole body is like equally balanced. So when you guys do hop on here, you can definitely feel like that cooling effect like immediately when you guys actually use it. So I can totally see how this would be really useful during like the summertime and etc. But that is basically everything that's on the product. So now that we did unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not that you're working on. So for this memory foam mattress, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality memory foam mattress that give you guys that cooling gel that's on here, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.